Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make tacos vegetarian. First, gather your ingredients, focusing on fresh vegetables and plant-based proteins. Next, prepare your chosen filling, ensuring it's seasoned well. Then, warm your tortillas and arrange your favorite toppings. Finally, assemble your delicious, meat-free tacos for a satisfying meal. This approach ensures a flavorful and healthy dish. For your protein, consider black beans or lentils, which are excellent sources of fiber and protein. You can also crumble firm tofu or tempeh and season it with taco spices to create a texture similar to ground meat. Don't forget roasted vegetables such as sweet potatoes, bell peppers, or mushrooms, which add fantastic flavor and nutrients. These options provide a satisfying and healthy foundation for your tacos. Elevate your tacos with vibrant toppings and sauces. Fresh salsa, creamy guacamole, and tangy pickled onions are fantastic choices. For a rich element, add sliced avocado or a homemade cashew crema. Don't shy away from bold spices like cumin, chili powder, and smoked paprika in your fillings. These additions bring layers of flavor and texture, making every bite exciting and delicious. To assemble, start with warm tortillas, whether corn or flour, as they are more pliable and flavorful. Layer your chosen plant-based filling first, then add your favorite fresh toppings like lettuce, tomatoes, and cilantro. Finish with a drizzle of sauce or a dollop of guacamole. Serve your vegetarian tacos immediately to enjoy their optimal freshness and vibrant flavors. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.